This video is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not a call to action. Today I'm going to show you live launching strategy. I just got this from a popular Solana trader and meme coin maker. It's a brand new method he used to make around $10,000 a day launching low-cap meme coins. It's not public yet, so just watch and remember, this is not a financial advice. There is a new strategy for launching meme coins that's been gaining traction. One that can get your meme coin monetized without spending a dime on marketing. This isn't just hype. I'll walk you through live launching process in this video. At the moment, this method is highly profitable. I can't guarantee how long it will stay effective, but right now, memecoin traders are snapping up these kinds of coins fast. When launching a token on services like this, the token will automatically appear on all services like Dexscreener, Axiom, and so on. Well, first I go to the Dexscreener. Choose any good token that is popular now. This is needed to have more buyers and good trading with our meme coin. Okay, I found a token. Just a random popular token. Now I click Create Token, I copy the picture, name, and symbol. Now I will launch 1 billion tokens, but the quantity does not matter. Now I enter any description. It can be funny or more informative. And now the most important thing. A new function will replace the information about the token creator. More preciously, we will specify someone big wallet with Solana. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in a smart contract metadata. But don't worry, you will be the real owner. I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied the wallet address and passed it here. I choose all of these because it increases the credibility. Okay, for the token to appear everywhere, including Dexscreener, we need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap. There's a new function on Pump.fun or on Radium or directly on this service. Turning on this option, specify how much Solana and your token supply you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do. Withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this site. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I opened the liquidity pool page. All my tokens are profitable. I launched all my meme coins using this new method. Okay, I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add less. For example, 1 Solana, but I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 or 6 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I text how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose 2% fee and that's it. Now I pass my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now I click Launch Token and I see payment window. I need to send Solana to this address. Okay, I made a transaction. Now I click Check Transaction, and boom! I see my memecoin address. Now I copy the address and check Solscan. Now I copy the token address. Then I go to the Dexscreener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with ours token. Okay, good. We see our token on Dexscreener. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Dexscreener displays liquidity amount twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Alright, I'm seeing the first buy. Trading has officially started. Now all I have to do is sit back and watch as people begin to buy and trade the token. Now let's skip ahead and see what's happened after 15 minutes. Man, look at this. It's going wild. Solid trading activity. Buyers are rolling in. If I pulled liquidity right now, I'd walk away with about 10 Solana. That's a solid return. Let's open up the liquidity pool page and check out the real-time profits. To pull your funds, just hit remove liquidity. Set it to 100% and confirm. Everything goes straight back to your wallet. And just like that, the meme coins is rugged. This platform make it super simple. You don't even need to manually sign anything. The smart contract handles it all automatically. But to be clear, even with that implementation, you still control the tokens as a creator. Alright, I'm clicking remove now. Done. Liquidity is out. Token is rugged. We can see the effect instantly on Dexscreener. 8 Solana, not bad at all. Most meme coins launched with this tactic end up with similar profits. So yes, this method is currently working. Now you've seen how easy it is for someone to pull off a rug pull using this exact strategy. So yes, this method is currently working. Now you've seen how easy it is for someone to pull off a rug pull using this exact strategy. This video is for educational purposes only. The goal is to help you recognize these patterns so you don't get caught on rug pull. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.